In this video, we are going to see how to connect MySQL database to Django. First of all, why should we connect MySQL to Django? Connecting MySQL to Django is essential for several reasons. While Django comes with default database SQLite, MySQL offers scalability, production readiness, and data integrity. It's compatible with hosting services, support parallel development, integrate with third-party tools, and allow for performance optimization. Using MySQL with Django is crucial for large projects and production environment, providing reliability and performance. So we can analyze data through MySQL workbench, while there is no any workbench for SQLite. We will first of all we will install two essential packages, which are MySQL client and MySQL connector, MySQL Python connector. First of all, we will activate our virtual environment. Then we will we install MySQL client. As you can see, it's already installed in my system. Then we will install Python MySQL connector. As you can see, it's already installed in my system also. Now we will open our project. Then we will go in settings of our project and we will edit database settings. First of all, we will change engine to MySQL. Then we will create a database in MySQL workbench. We will create schema here by the name. As you can see, the schema is created. Now we will change here. As you can see, MySQL running on localhost. So the IP address of localhost is 127.0.0.1 and the port is 3306 and the user is root. And password is also root. Now we will make a model to check whether database is connected or not. So to create a model, first of all, we will make a class model dot character field. Our model is created. Now we will migrate. Python manage dot py make migrations. Migration for who? Create model. Now we will migrate. Python manage.py migrate. Oh, as you can see, there is spelling mistake in password. The P is small. It should be capital. Now we will migrate again. As you can see, all migrations are applied successfully. Now we will open MySQL workbench to see whether table is created or not. As you can see, this is our database in table. Yeah, the table is created. That means MySQL database is successfully connected to Django.